What are the biggest mistakes that you're making right now that are stopping your YouTube channel from growing faster? To answer that question, I brought out the big guns today and called in a favor from my pal, Brian G. Johnson. Hey Brian, how you doing, my friend?
Daniel, what's cracking? Good to see you.
All right, so how many mistakes are we talking here? Top 3, top 5?
I don't know how many I got, but I definitely got some mistakes on this iPad and I want to share them. Let's just jump into it.
Right on. I'll try not to interrupt too much, but I make no promises.
Dig it. Mistake number 1. This is without question probably the biggest mistake you can make if you've got big dreams here on this platform. You got to stop focusing on the results that you want. More views, more views, more views. The only way you get the views is to focus on obtaining the skills needed. It's not dreaming about views all day. It's learning how your camera works. It's learning how to deliver on camera. It's learning how not to say and ah. It's learning how to do one take and just keep being yourself on camera. It's learning how to edit your video. It's learning what's most important. It's gaining the skills needed. And the only way to do that is to decide, hey, I'm going to focus on doing the work and I'm going to improve as I move forward. Don't focus only on getting more subscribers and views. I see it all the time.
Got it. Learn the skills. Thank your iPad for putting that one first. That's really important. What does the iPad tell you mistake number 2 is?
Mistake number 2, it says here, having no direction. Thing is you've got to know what you're creating. You've got to know what makes your channel awesome. You have to know what it is about your channel that's going to make someone subscribe. If you're unsure, don't expect other people to be able to figure it out when they're on your channel. And frankly, no one's going to work hard to try to unbox what makes your channel awesome. If you have no direction, if you've got a channel that's got 37 different topics, hey, it's about weight loss and gaming, and I like to vlog, and I'm an outdoorsman, and this and that and the other thing, don't do that. And that brings us to step number 3. Thank goodness. Step number 3.
Wait, let me guess. Is it to accidentally start calling mistakes steps halfway through your list? No? Okay, well, what have you got written down?
It says right here to make it easy for the viewers to understand why they should subscribe. Every little thing you do should make it easy for people to take action based on your video. What do I mean by that, right? What do I mean by taking action? Well, first they gotta click. That's an action. If people don't click, that will really hurt your watch time. For example, what a lot of YouTubers don't know is if nobody's clicking on your thumbnail, that dramatically hurts your watch time. Your watch time is based on how often people click on your thumbnails. That's the first part. The second part is how long they watch your video. So if you've got really bad thumbnails, it's like you're running a marathon with one leg. That ain't gonna work.
Oh, another good one. What do you got for mistake number 3?
Make sure your channel art clearly communicates what your channel is all about and why viewers should subscribe. This is what branding is all about. Branding makes it easy for people to understand why they should subscribe. And number 4, now I mentioned thumbnails. Fact of the matter is yours, they suck. Number 4, your thumbnails suck. Now don't worry about it. Fact of the matter is most YouTubers, their thumbnails suck. What's interesting is the best YouTubers have the best looking thumbnails. Do you know why that is? Because they're really, really important. So make sure you spend the time to create thumbnails that are compelling, that are artistic, that clearly communicate one big idea.
All right, Brian, explain that one to me. I know I'm not the only creator out there who struggles with making great thumbnails. What can I do right now to start creating better thumbnails than I already do?
Okay, so thumbnails are really important. How do you come up with great thumbnails? We actually have to back up a bit. What you want to do is begin by thinking about one big idea. Oh, it's how to make $500,000 on YouTube. Second, you think about how to make it compelling, and you do that by really thinking about what the audience is interested in. If it's about money, then lead with money like I did. If it's about getting more views, show the viewers you did that. If it's about losing weight, that's why you see before and after photos for years and years and years, because they sell more diet pills, they sell more gym memberships, they win more clicks here on YouTube. Now, number 5 is really pretty important. See, most YouTubers, they really don't understand what's most important. And if you don't understand what's most important, you'd make crazy decisions. Things like your YouTube tags are not that important.
So, all right, so if tags aren't important, what is important? How do creators figure out what the most important decisions are?
Think about it like this. The easiest way to figure that out is ask yourself, what's most important to the viewers? I promise you the viewers don't care what kind of tags you use in your videos. And the viewers don't care what kind of camera you film on, as long as you've got great quality in the videos you publish. And quite frankly, like Daniel, I'm on Daniel's channel right now, he filmed on an iPhone for a long time, or a mobile device.
Absolutely true. Up until very recently, I was filming everything on my channel with a 4-year-old Samsung Galaxy S6 with a crack in the screen.
See, sadly, you just can't buy your way to success on YouTube. The fancy speed booster, or this expensive 11 to 22 millimeter lens that's great for vlogging helps, but you've got to be compelling, you've got to be clear, you've got to edit great videos. Nothing is more important than your delivery on camera. So focus on what matters and you'll go far. Hey Daniel, am I allowed to say you dig on your channel?
Actually, around here we say peace.
Peace. Have fun at social media marketing world.
If you want even more Brian G. Johnson in your life, click on everything over here to my left to get your channel to grow faster. You dig? Yeah, that just felt wrong.